everyone, today I want to show you about how to create animation in PowerPoint. Okay, let's start with me. Now I show for you. Okay, and then when I click, okay, yeah, this is animation for you. I make the sample. You can make by yourself. Okay, yes. Now everyone create new slide and create new slide. Then when you create new slide already and everyone drawing shape, okay, home and in this shape for make animation, okay. And then everyone copy and control this and control the 4 parts here. Okay, you 4 1 2 3 4, and then we delete all. Yes, keep one object. Okay, and then rectangle and okay, this shape. And click all objects and format shape, merge shape, these 3 words. Okay, and then everyone drawing one shape. Okay, select all shape, merge shape, 3 words, and delete this shape. Okay, and then shape formats and choose color background. You choose color, shape, okay, and shape outline, snow, and shape effects, shadow, offset center, select this shape and red color, snow outline. Okay, and everyone add your text here, data ones. Okay, and click here, strokes, and okay, control this, duplicate, and once choose color text. Okay, and select all, control G, control G, and rank send to back. Okay, you send to back, okay. Next step, add your text. This text is now I add text already. When choose input here, okay, select and choose color. Okay, okay, please shape format text field. Okay, and then select all objects, control this, select all objects. Okay, and change number to number 3, number 4. Okay, and select text and choose color and change color. Okay, change color text. Okay, change color shape. Click and shape format, shape fill, and click here. This shape fill, text fill, and choose color. Yes, now everyone makes a shape already, and then we start at animation and animation. Yes, and click animation, and the first animation, this shape, and this animation, click. Okay, and 75 duration, and this shape, and we choose one click, and then click animation 2, click click shape, and this animation. Okay, click after previous. Okay, 75%, 75 duration, and this animation, 3 animation, we click here and choose zoom. Okay, and after previous, and then we start a previous. Okay, now everyone make one animation, and everyone can add animation. Okay, click pass. Okay, to animation, click pass. Okay, pass. Okay, now we change this animation, and after previous, and pass. Click here, animation pan, pass. Click here, animation pan, pass. Okay, okay, now I add animation already, and everyone go to slideshow with me, and a slideshow. Yes, no animation. When I click one, okay, animation show auto. Okay, this is animation. I make the sample for you, and everyone can make by yourself. Yes, if you like, don't forget subscribe, share in my channel, and subscribe for get new video. Okay, see you next video. Okay, let's go. Goodbye. Thank you everyone.